We all, I don't know about you guys, but still, for myself, I have been a victim, a kind of a victim of natural disasters. So we came up with this idea because we saw this opportunity of these methods that notifying people during hazard is quite inefficient right now in Sri Lanka. So we ran out a research on that as our own project, and we came up with a solution that it's need a common platform to communicate. This is quite a lack for a while in Sri Lanka, and indeed with this COVID-19 new normal, we need a centralized tracing platform as well. So as a solution, we came up with an idea and we built it because a QR code-based contact tracing platform as well as a trilingual support to all these disaster management notification alerts and exposure notifications help. Indeed, you can call this 1919 or whatever it is emergency numbers using our app as well. Help indeed centralized disaster management. We will be alerted you when during a disaster, and we will guide you through safe zones to reach to a place that you can save your life. And efficient resource allocation due. That is, we manage all these safe zones and see how much of capacity that they can tolerate and how much they need to rely on. Is our uniqueness is we are language independent and we are basically innovator user. We are trying our best to use it as minimum user weightage with good server weightage and high user experience. We gave this platform to some of people who are in those areas, and we saw that quite good feedbacks coming from them. And real-time exposure alerts, it's always going with this real-time notification alert for the disasters as well. And the help request from authorities, this is for the people who need help. They can talk to these contact numbers from our mobile app and get it done. And we, most important, we navigate you to your safe zones. This is about tracing platform because we are using centralized tracing methods. This is the comparative analysis of tracing platforms. Since we checked on this disaster management system, we never didn't want to do any competitive analysis since we are not targeting a market to promote it like in a commercial manner, because that will be a niche market for us. That's why we came up with an idea to this do this for competitive analysis to QR code platform. This is the reasons because we are using this QR and GPS since even there are some glitches with this Bluetooth for the privacy in Sri Lanka. That's why we came up with the idea to go to QR. And for smartphones, you have that QR thing and this Google Map thing, navigations and everything. For feature phones, we are using this USSD and SMS APIs to communicate to you to go to a safe zone. And this contact tracing platform is not yet ready to that level as well. This will be the underlying magic. This is not just a project for DadHack. This is our project we are currently working on to finish it at least by the end of this year and publish it to next year. At least we need to make it going with government. So go-to-market strategy for we are targeting on these platforms. QR one. So our go-to-market strategy will be we are giving discounts for the people who are scanning on the pinpoints, like in the railway station shops, because since this is going with government, we can like offer some discounts for them as well from the government side. I'm talking, and the public advertisements we are social media and mass media, and for the disaster management platform we are conducting some kind of these workshops for them. So in local communities. That's even why we came up with this idea to go is by tri-languages. Otherwise, there will be no point of we are doing that. Our revenue model is we don't need actually a revenue model since we are going with the government stuff. But we did something that API for developers and local advertising within the platform. That's not quite good with okay. This will be So this is about our app, as you can see.
Everyone, time is up. We will start the Q&A session for 2 minutes. If the judges are okay, we can go ahead with the demo. It's the judges' call.
Please go ahead with the demo.
Thank you, sir. So you can save as mark as your save. And this is the QR platform. Yeah, this is the dashboard, and using the Twitter handle, you can check out the latest updates from the government disaster management control as well. And nothing to be worried. You don't need to check it out like this. You will always get notified, and when you are in the disaster zone, and you will guide you to a safe zone as soon as possible in our manner. As you can see, it's English, Sinhala, or it's always about any kind of a language. You are using Tamil, is even 5 plus. We worked on that as well. This is our admin panel. As you can see, where are the pinpoints and where are the safe zones and everything is going on, and the status of the safe zones as well. And when you need to mark a safe zone or even a danger zone and do alerts, it's all can done by just press of a button.
30 seconds more.